Our next sound will be D. D, D, D. There are 3 ways to make the D sound. D on its own, unigraph, monograph, just a graph, whatever. Digraph, double D. And mostly a suffix, ed. So, an examples of these would be duck, add, or called. Alright, you can isolate them if you want, like this. Show where they can go. Now, we're making a D sound. We're going to inhale. And for a D, we're going to make a seal by pressing our tongue. Number 1, press, tongue, and make a seal in your throat against the roof of your mouth. You should be able to feel or press out air just at the top where your tongue flickers. D, d. Now, number 2, the vibration, similarly to a B, starts at the back of your throat. D. Vibration comes at the back of your throat. D, 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 and then your tongue flicks the sound open. Tip of tongue flicks open. D, d, d.